The benefits of fasting on health. Fasting, or abstaining from food and drink for a period of time, has been practiced for centuries for its spiritual, emotional, and physical benefits. In recent years, research has shed light on the numerous health benefits of fasting, ranging from weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity to reduced inflammation and increased longevity. Physical health benefits. 1. Weight loss. Fasting leads to a reduction in overall calorie intake, resulting in weight loss and improved body composition. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 3. Reduced inflammation. Fasting has anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. 4. Improved cardiovascular health. Fasting has been shown to lower blood pressure, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. 5. Increased autophagy. Fasting stimulates autophagy, a natural process in which the body breaks down and recycles damaged cells and proteins. Mental and emotional health benefits. 1. Improved mental clarity and focus. Fasting has been shown to improve cognitive function, including concentration and memory. 2. Reduce stress and anxiety. Fasting has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety by promoting the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. 3. Increased self-discipline and willpower. Fasting requires discipline and willpower, which can translate to other areas of life. 4. Improved emotional regulation. Fasting has been shown to improve emotional regulation, including reduced anger and irritability. Spiritual and social benefits. 1. Increased spirituality and connection to faith. Fasting is a fundamental aspect of many spiritual traditions, including Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. 2. Sense of community and belonging. Fasting with others can create a sense of community and belonging. 3. Increased gratitude and appreciation. Fasting can increase gratitude and appreciation for food and other blessings. Conclusion. In conclusion, fasting has numerous benefits for physical, mental, and emotional health, as well as spiritual and social well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, increase your self-discipline, or deepen your spiritual practice, fasting can be a powerful tool. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.